आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ते च मनोरथः लक्ष्मीं तनोतु नितरामितरानपीक्ष्यमङ्गलद्वयं निगमशाक्यशिखाप्रवालं हैरम्बमम्बुरोहडम्बरचौर्यनिक्रं विघ्नाद्रिभेदशतधारन्तरन्नः सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So one abhyasa we were in between, so we'll just complete that. So we were in between the conversation between Geeta and Mala. So we had Grihapatasya Vishaye सः प्रश्नाः पृष्टवान्. प्रश्नाः is pullinga bahuvachana and we change it to prashnan dvitiya vibhakti. Same repeats once again in the next sentence. Am saha prashnaः, so prashnan prishtavan. Vayam is we, so vayam dash uttarani it is napumsakalinga, bahuvachana uttarani remains uttarani, it doesn't change. So prathama vibhakti dvitiya vibhakti napumsakalinga, there is no change, uttarani. Uktavantaha, we all answered. Hyaha, Gayatri may be one of their classmates. Kim dash agatavati, kaksha they have given. Kaksha is also always used in Strilinga and this is Ekavachana. And therefore it will become Kaksham. All the Ekavachana, regardless of what the gender is, regardless of what the ending is because we add that pratyaya over there. So just ouchas. Is added for that. That I'll tell you what that pratyaya is. Sup pratyayas is what I'm saying. Su ouchas, ouchas. So is added as the second vibhakti pratyaya. So therefore, for all the second vibhakti ekavachana, you won't change. You won't see many changes in the form. It is always If the ending is ikaranta, also im will come. We will see that in the following exercises. Next, so kaksham, then am, sa, nutanaha, nutanam, cholaha, cholam, nicholaha, nicholam, cha dhritva. Dhritva means or. Dharati, that word has been changed here with past tense. Dhritva, as we have seen. Agatavati. Hyaha, tasyaha janmadinam. Yesterday was her birthday. Gayatri's birthday. Ataha, so here the question is, we have stopped over here with the inquiry of the pata. Geeta is answering that who asked. Saha adhyapakaha, we were talking about him, no? Adhyapakaha, did he do the pata? Did he ask the questions? She asked Geeta for that. Mala asked for that. Geeta has replied that yes, he asked questions. So the topic has ended over there. Now Mala is asking one more question. So yesterday, did Gayatri come to Kaksha, come to class? So Geeta is answering, yes, she came to class. She didn't say that come to class. Means yes. Na means no. Sa nutanam, new. Cholam, nicholam, dress. Cha dhritva agatavati, she wore a new dress. Yaha tasyaha janmadinam, yesterday was her birthday. Ataha, sa सर्वेभ्यः चाकलेहाः. Chakalehaha, which means chocolate. It is pullinga. So chakalehaha. Chakalehaha becomes bahuvachana. So chakalehan, when we convert it to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dattavati. She gave everybody chocolate. Sa adhyapakaha. All the teachers. Adhyapakaha. Adhyapakaha. So adhyapakan, when we convert it to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Namaskritavati. Okay. Then adhyapakaha ashirvadaha. Again, it is pullinga and it is ekavachana ashirvadam. Kritavantaha. Then vayam abhinandanani. Abhinandanani, again abhinandanam. So it is Napumsakalinga. Abhinandanani will remain in the Dvitiya Vibhakti form as Abhinandanani. So this is the uh, completion of this exercise. So no new things. Prashna already seen. Kaksha, it is Ekavachana. It is easy to understand. Nutanaha, very easy to understand. It is Pullinga. Cholaha, again Nicholaha. Chakalehaha, Bahuvachana. Adhyapakaha. No new things over here. But next exercise we'll be learning something new. Now for Dvitiya Vibhakti, we know it is karma. And we learnt that there are 10 different forms in which we can use this. Remember this? Adha sthanani vakhyani pathata. Saha patham pathati. Saha patham patitavan. This is depending on the present, future, and then past. Then as a request. Then as a continuation for two karmas. Then if we look at the continuation, okay, this is also continuation only. Then again, this is also continuation. Twa. We have four more. Here. The three continuations that we usually use. Twa, lya, tum. So for all these things, tinti, all of them we are using what? We are using a continuation. So for that also we are using the second vibhakti. Now we are using second vibhakti. One more use of second vibhakti is for the word for the word paritaha. Paritaha means what? Surrounding. So mama griham paritaha udyanam asti. There is a garden surrounding my house. So mama griham paritaha udyanam asti. So what do we understand? Whatever is in between, that will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. What surrounds that particular thing, that will be in Prathama only. So now Abhyasa is like this. They have given Paritaha as common. This is going to be here only. No changes. They have given two words, two Namapadas. The first Namapada that we are seeing over here, Devalaya, Shala, Sharkara, Chandraha, Vedika, Sa, Adhyapakaha, Adhyapikaha, Deepaha, Pushpani, all these 10 are in the center. Prakaraha, Kridanganam, Pipilikaha, Meghaha, Prekshakaha, Sakhyaha, Balakaha, Balikaha, Kitaha, Bhramaraha, all of them are surrounding these things. So therefore, Paritaha is in between. One that comes on the uh, instead of saying left and right, let us use Purva and Uttara. Before Paritaha, that is Purva. Purva Padam is Devalaya, Shala, etc. etc. All of them are going to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. And Uttarapada, that is after Paritaha, everything is going to be in Prathama only. So they have given an example. See, Devalayam, first word, Devalayam, Paritaha. So Devalayam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Here they have given Devalayaha, Devalayam we have to do. Paritaha, Kimasti? Prakaraha asti. Prakaraha asti. So that means Devalaya, the premises surrounds the Devalaya or the temple. So that is how we have to make sentences in this particular exercise. Okay. So I think instructions pretty clear. So shall we start? If anybody volunteers, we can start. Next sentence, second sentence.
Shalam, it is Shalam.
Shalam.
Paritaha
Paritaha.
Kridanganam.
Kridanganam asti. We have to add that
Asti.
word
Okay.
asti.
Asti. Asti. Okay.
Next.
शर्करां परितः
Hmm.
पीपीलिकाः
Hmm.
अस्ति
Asti.
Asti. Very next.
Santi. Pipilikaha is plural, no? Bahuvachanam.
Hmm.
Santi.
Okay.
No, we will not go to that. We haven't taught that yet. I'll tell you the difference. Asti and Santi, I will tell you the difference. Right now, we will stick to Asti.
Sharkar. Chak. Chak. Sharkaram, no? Sharkaram.
Sharkara.
Sharkaram.
Sharkara.
Sharkaram. Sharkaram, it will become, no?
Ah.
Sharkaram.
Hmm.
Paritaha.
Hmm.
That last one will not change. Pipilikaha.
Pipilikaha. I'll tell you the meanings. Now let us just finish the forms because time constraints, no? So, next, fourth one.
Chandram.
Hmm.
Chandram.
Hmm.
Paritah.
Hmm.
Meghaha.
Hmm. Hmm.
Santi.
Hmm. Next.
वेदिकां
Vedika.
Ha.
परितः
Ha.
प्रेक्षकाः
Ha.
अस्ति
Ha. Ha. Okay. So we did the first five. Sixth one, sa they have given. So what happens? These are pronouns. Namapadas only, but you know there are 8 forms of nouns. No, 8 parts of speech. 5 kinds of nouns are there. No, so like that, pronoun becomes the second kind of noun. So now here for this, I think we need to write. For Pullinga, what happens? It is saha. Saha is he. Okay. In the same vibhakti form only we are taking. That means we will have Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana. And then in the same way, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, etc. etc. it goes. Same way we take it for she also and it also, which is the Napamsaka Linga. So here, 1 minute. So for Pullinga, what are the pronoun forms? So for पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन. It is सः. सः. Then dvivachana will be tau. Okay. And bahuvachana will be te. Okay. Saha tau te. For dvitiya vibhakti, it will be tam. Okay. Tau and tan. If you have a look at the forms that we have seen, Ramaha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Then Ramam, Ramau, Raman. So they are similar to that. The last this thing. Only sa and ta will replace the actual word. That's all. Saha tau te, tam tau tan. For Strilinga. For Strilinga, not much change, but the initial is for she, sa it is. Okay. So when we do that, obviously little change will happen. Sa, if you remember, Rame came, so instead of Ramo, Rame came, so there instead of au, te comes. Te. Sa, te, taha. And then when we then for the Dvitiya Vibhakti, tam will come. Okay. The rest two, te, taha, if you remember for Strilinga, it remained the same. Here also it will remain the same. For Napumsakalinga, it forms. Not much changes there. If you remember for Napumsakalinga, for the Prathama and Dvitiya remain the same. So in the same manner, it is tat. Tat means it. Tat. Okay. Te, te, tani. Pustakam, pustaki, pustakani. So same changes over here. Tat, te, tani. Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti is not going to change. So therefore, tat, te, tani. So with that, we have learned two forms, that is Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti for Pullinga, Strilinga and Napamsakalinga. Now, which is Sa? Is it Pullinga or Strilinga?
Strilinga,
Strilinga.
no, no.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
If which Vachana?
Prathama.
Pratham. No.
Ekavachana.
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 Ekavachana. So if I
Ekavachana.
have to convert that into Dvitiya Vibhakti, what will come over there?
Tam.
Tam. So
Tam.
instead of sa, it will be tam
Tam.
paritaha kimasti
Sakyah asti.
sakyaha asti. Okay. Next.
Adhyap,
Yap.
Adhyapakan.
Adhyapakan.
Kan.
Ha. Why it is adhyapakaha, adhyapaka, adhyapakan. Okay. Next. Adhyapakaha. So therefore adhyapakan. Ha. Next sentence. Adhyapakan
Paritak,
paritaha.
Paritaka,
Ha.
Balakaha.
Balaka.
Balakaha. Okay, Santi Asti, we'll leave that over there because it is changing in the vachanas gradually. When we go to the next exercise, we'll understand what is Santi. Next, Adhyapikaha. Adhyapika is which gender now?
Striling.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Striling.
Strilinga बहुवचन.
Ha. So it will be
अध्यापिकाः
ha
परितः
ha
बालिकाः अस्ति.
ha ha. Next, Deepaha they have given. It will be
Deepaha.
Deepan.
Deepan.
Deep-
Deepaha. It is
दीपान्
Deepan. Okay. Full sentence.
दीपान् परितः दीपान् परितः
परितः
Ha
कीटा
किरीटाः
कीटाः अस्ति.
ha.
किरीटाः अस्ति.
Very good. Next.
पुष्पाणि
Remains the same.
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 Pushpani paritah.
पुष्पाणि परितः भ्रमरः
Ha.
अस्ति.
Okay. Very good. So now we will clear this Santi and Asti part. Now, wherever the vachana remains in ekavachana, we use the form of Asti. Wherever it exceeds that, we usually take up for both Dvivachana and Bahuvachana, we take up what? Santi. More than one, we take up Santi. Okay. So now you can see in this part, wherever that is in the prakaraha. Prakaraha is singular. Therefore, it is Asti. Kridanganam, again it is one Kridanganam. Therefore, it is Asti. Pipilikaha. Pipilika is the word. The pipilika means ants. Okay. Sharkaraha means sugar. So now you know. Sharkaraha. So Sharkara is given. So Sharkaram paritaha. So surrounding the sugar. What is surrounding the sugar?
Santi.
Ants. Okay. So that is many, no? So therefore it becomes Santi. Again. Chandram paritaha meghaha. Not megha, not just one, it is meghaha. So therefore it becomes Santi.
Santi. Okay.
Ha. Vedika. Vedika means stage, platform. Okay. Vedikam paritaha prekshakaha. Prekshakaha, audience. Okay. So now audience is not one. Prekshakaha they have given. So therefore this becomes Santi.
Santi.
Okay. Then Sakhyaha. Sakhyaha, what is the form? Sakhi. What is the form for
Sakhi Sakhyah. Sakhyah. Sakhi Sakhyah.
सखी सखे
सख्यौ.
सख्यः
हे Sakhyah. Sakhyah.
He Sakhe Sakhyaha. So again, it is in Bahuvachana form. Therefore, it becomes Asti or Santi?
Santi.
Santi.
Santi. Santi.
So Balakaha.
Santi.
Santi. Balikaha.
Santi only.
Santi.
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 Kitaha. Kitaha means flies.
Santi.
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 Bhramaraha.
Santi only, no? Brahmara.
Santi.
Santi.
Santi. So now you have to fill this. Okay. So this you have to fill. This the first one has to be converted to Dvitiya Vibhakti forms. Paritaha will remain same. This words also will remain same. And then you have to decide whether it is Asti or Santi. Okay. Now the next exercise is also about Paritaha only. I'll explain the picture. Look at this. In the picture, there is one Kamalam. Surrounding the Kamalam are many Bhramaraha. Okay. Surrounding the Bhramara is one trikona, one triangle, trikonakritihi. Then surrounding that triangle is one circle, vartulakritihi. Okay. Surrounding this vartulakriti is one square, chaturasram. Sorry, chaturastram. No, chaturasram only. I don't know why they've done. Chaturasram. Okay. So that means a square. Then surrounding the square is one bindu chaturasram. Bindu chaturasram means dotted square. Surrounding the bindu chaturasram is one ashtakonakritihi. Octagon, they say, no? Ashtak.
Mm.
Okay. Then surrounding that is one vakrarekha. Vakrarekha, one form. Vakrarekha, vakra means not straight.
Zigzag line.
No, vakrarekha
Not
can be, yeah, zigzag line.
okay.
But here they have given a form, one flowery form. Yeah, vakrarekha is a zigzag form. Yeah. So now what you have to do is you have to start from the center. They have given the first one. Kamalam paritaha bhramaraha santi. Bhramaraha, why? Because there are many bhramaras. Okay. So obviously now next, bhramara will be converted to Advitiya Vibhakti. What will it be? What will be the form?
Brahmaran.
Bhramaraha.
Brahmaran.
Huh?
Brahmaran.
Huh? Huh.
Brahma-
Bhramaraha. Bhramarau. Bhramaraha. So it is going to be Brahmaran. So Brahmaran paritah kim asti? Trikonakritihi asti. Now convert Trikonakriti to Dvitiya form, because after that is the next stage. Trikonakritihi is ikaranta pullinga. Okay.
Ikaranta pullinga.
Now, regardless of gender, regardless of what the ending, you have to remember that Ekavachana Dvitiya will always have what? Added to it.
Im.
That's all. So Trikonakritihi will become what?
Trikonakritim.
That's all.
Kritim.
That's all. That's all. So now this sentence is going to be what?
Trikonakritim paritaha
Ha.
vartukulakritihi
Vartulakriti.
vartulakritihi asti.
Ha. Akritihi is just added for that. Vartula means circle. That's all. Trikonakriti paritah vartulakritihi asti. Okay. So now after that, you have to go the next level. Vartulakriti. Now what is surrounding that?
Vartulakritim
Ha.
vartulakritim paritaha
Ha.
chaturastram asti.
Asti.
Ha. Chaturasram asti.
Asti.
Ha. Only one no. So asti. Next. After Vartula, we got Vartula. Now Chaturasram. No Chaturasram?
Chaturasram paritah bindu chaturasram asti.
That's all. Next. Bindu Chaturasram.
Paritah.
Paritah.
Bindu
Chaturastram paritah.
ashtakonakritihi asti.
Now Ashtakonakriti.
अष्टकोणाकृतिं परितः वक्ररेखा अस्ति.
वक्ररेखा अस्ति. Okay. Then वक्ररेखा will become द्वितीया विभक्ति.
रेखां.
वक्ररेखां परितः किमपि नास्ति. There is nothing after that. Then there is nothing surrounding वक्ररेखा.
परितः किमपि नास्ति.
किमपि नास्ति. किम अपि नास्ति.
Okay.
Nothing is there. Okay. So that is these two exercises has to be completed in this way. Then we will start the next exercise in the tomorrow. This is looking at the picture, we have to do some exercises that we will take up tomorrow. Astu. There are 4 more exercises, and for Dvitiya Vibhakti, we took a lot of time practically because we've just come from the Varnas. So we have to start reading and we have to start knowing the words and creating sentences. So therefore, but what we will do in the Tritiya Vibhakti, we will do half the exercises in class and half must be completed on your own. Okay? Astu. Any doubts with regard to today's class?
Mahadaya, can you just say that Dvitiya Vibhakti, that pronoun saha, tau, te? Can I just repeat? Saha, tau, te, prathama, and tam, tau, tan, Dvitiya, right?
Dvitiya. This is for
For
pulling.
the pullinga, yes. And for the strilinga, it will be sa, te, taha, and tam, te, taha. Taha. It's taha or ta?
Taha. Tam, te, taha.
Okay, so tam, te, taha. Okay, yes. And tat, te, tani, and tat, te, tani for the Napunsika Linga, Prathama and Dvitiya, right? Okay. Dhanyavada. Start that.
So we will just conclude. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिष गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.